How to log in or sign up to Exodus wallet. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you to the steps on how you can log in or sign up to Exodus wallet account. Well, the process is simple and easy, so let me guide you through. In order to log in or sign up to Exodus wallet, you can simply open up the Exodus Crypto Bitcoin wallet, which you'll be able to get easily on your Play Store or App Store. Then if you wish to log in, you want to simply tap on I have a wallet option. Then you want to choose whether you want to log in, you want to sync your Exodus. If you have your account logged in on another device, you can tap on sync with QR code and log in through QR code. If you have backed up, if you had previously backed up to Google Drive, you want to tap on Google Drive backup. If you had backed up your secret phrase, like if you had saved it written down somewhere, then you can choose secret phrase and enter in the secret phrase. However, if you want to connect your hardware wallet, you can tap on it and connect it as well. So this is how you can easily log in. If you want to sign up, then you want to tap on create wallet option and it'll create a wallet right away. All you got to do next is head over to security and back up your recovery phrase. So this is how you can log into Exodus wallet account. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.